Hello, fellow couriers. You know the feeling when you're driving one of those noisy diesel beasts through the city streets? You're wrestling with traffic, trying to avoid pedestrians, and spewing pollution like there's no tomorrow. But guess what? The times are different now, and it's time to start driving like it. Today I'm here to review this sweet ride, the 100% electric Voltia van. This baby runs 100% on electricity, so you can deliver packages with a clean conscience. No more diesel dude jokes, no more backhanded compliments about manly engines. With the Voltia van, you can show everyone that you're efficient, eco-friendly, and not wasting money on fuel or ridiculous maintenance costs. And we both know how often those things broke in the diesel van, how often you have to replace worn-out brake pads or change those filthy oil filters. Now, I must admit, the Voltia van is more elegant than I expected. It's like a regular van that's been redesigned for style and efficiency. Its slim design is perfect for smoothly navigating city traffic and is much less intimidating than those large, bulky vans. Who needs all that bulk when you've got style and substance? First of all, this van is incredibly quiet. Have you ever driven a van that doesn't sound like it's about to take off from a runway? I used to dread those long days on the road, being constantly bombarded by engine noise. But with the Voltia van, it's like driving in a serene, peaceful cabin all day long. And let me tell you, it makes a huge difference. I actually feel less exhausted at the end of my shift now that I'm not battling the noise pollution every day. It's a win-win situation for me and the people who live in the cities. You know that feeling when you finally get to take your shoes off after a long day and it's like, instant relief? That's what it's like driving the Voltia van. It's like slipping off those heavy work boots and putting on a cozy pair of slippers. Except, it's a van and not footwear, but you get the idea. The quiet cabin is a total game changer. And check out this interior. It's like a futuristic spaceship in here. The touchscreen display has more options than my grandma's old TV remote. It puts all those clunky diesel vans to shame. I'm convinced this thing could launch me to the moon if I pressed the right button. And now let's talk specs. The Voltia van is a winner when it comes to range. With the larger 75 kilowatt-hour battery, you're looking at up to 250 kilometers in real urban conditions. And even with the 50 kilowatt-hour battery version, you'll still get up to 160 kilometers of range. That's enough to get me through the whole day without needing a recharge. But the real game changer is the cargo space. It's like a mini warehouse in here. With a payload of up to 1,000 kilograms, 11 cubic meters of space, and a massive amount of headroom, I feel like a delivery superhero. This baby has plenty of space for all my parcels, and honestly, sometimes I feel like this van was designed by chiropractors. No more bending over and ruining my back every day. The high ceiling means I don't have to break my back lifting boxes. And the fact that I can stand upright while loading and unloading, this van is the real deal. I love it. I'm telling you, it's got me feeling like royalty. Now, where's my crown? But wait, there's more. These door hinges are brilliant. They let you open the doors to a jaw-dropping 270 degrees, giving you unrivaled access to your cargo space, even in the busiest of depots. And you know what's even better? When the back doors are fully open, you can also slide open the side door, maximizing access and flexibility at the same time. These innovative door hinges make loading and unloading the Voltia van an absolute breeze, no matter how tight the space. Designed for efficiency and convenience, it's the ultimate solution for busy depots, tight spaces, and fast-paced delivery environments. Another great feature of the Voltia van is its low operating costs. Not only do you save on fuel, but maintenance is a breeze compared to those old diesel vans. Fewer moving parts means fewer things to break down and repair, which ultimately saves your business substantial time and money. Plus, the Voltia van is built on the trusted Stellantis platform, which means it comes with dependable performance and a wide network of service centers across Europe. You can trust the quality and reliability of your van, and if you ever do need help, support is just a phone call away. If you ask me, that's a win-win. Folks, the Voltia van, spacious, lean, sustainable, and money-saving. It's the van of the future, and I'm proud to be driving it already today. So say goodbye to ridiculous fuel prices, dodgy mechanics, and polluting our cities with harmful emissions.